starting the show. कोशिश कर हल निकलेगा, कोशिश कर हल निकलेगा, आज नहीं तो कल निकलेगा। अर्जुन के तीर सा सद, अर्जुन के तीर सा सद, मरुस्थल से भी जल निकलेगा। मेहनत कर पौधों को पानी दे, मेहनत कर पौधों को पानी दे, बंजर जमीन से भी फल निकलेगा। ताकत जुटा, ताकत जुटा, हिम्मत को आग दे, फौलाद का भी बल निकलेगा। जिंदा रख दिल में उम्मीदों को, गरल के समंदर से गंगा जल निकलेगा। कोशिश जारी रख कुछ कर गुजरने की, कोशिश जारी रख कुछ कर गुजरने की, आज थमा थमा सा चल निकलेगा। So now start the series with our alumni. So namaste and greeting to our beloved principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, coordinators, my dear colleagues and our alumni. I feel deeply honored to be here today and also with the privilege of interacting with all of you. It has been so many years, I still remember the faces of our students who are the alumni. They are so fresh in our mind. Hope with the same with others also. A very warm welcome to all of you to this wonderful Back to Root session. Now coming to our guest of this afternoon. So a very big applause for big round of applause for Abhishek Shokal.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
He has a strong sense of responsibilities not only towards his family but also towards his friends, society at large. He is kind, compassionate. He believes in self-care and takes time to cultivate his own interests and hobbies. He likes to have a fun and indulgence, indoor and outdoor activities. He is none other than Abhishek Sokhal. Now let us have a close look at his journey in our school in Ram Ratna International School. So Abhishek, we have prepared a small video for your school memories. So can we
Yes, ma'am.
watch?
Yes.
Okay. So Amit sir, he is pin marketing head. This video and but memories last forever. Right, Abhishek?
Yes, ma'am.
Indeed, it's wonderful video.
It's very
So,
wonderful, ma'am. It brought back a
yeah,
lot of memories.
oh, great. So, we would like to elaborate little more of your achievement.
Yes.
So, during school, Abhishek was very active child in all the field. He won so many prizes and trophy, and lead so many responsibilities actively. Abhishek joined RRIS in grade 5th and he was the Ishanya House vice captain. He participated in many national handwriting and coloring contests and have a merit for handwriting by Akhil Bharatiya Nagrik Vikas Kendra. He won the first prize in inter-house taekwondo competition. He is black belt. He got a black belt in karate. He and his team bagged first position in football inter-house competition. He secured third position at Misa Synergy Internal School Science Exhibition, and in grade 9th he was finally elected as a school head boy and again represented our school at Misa Synergy competition. He attended many months and have helped the school to organize RRIS MAN 1 and RRIS MAN 2. And actively he worked as a member of organizing committee and also have been chair for both months. He represents a school at IIT Bombay at another robotic competition. So Abhishek, we welcome you once again in Back to Root session.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let
Thank
us
you.
begin with the questions. So
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I would like to know, Abhishek, how do you feel to be a part of this program?
I feel very excited and obliged to be a part of this program. This is a program where a student who is an alumni can give back what he has learned during his life in the school and after the school to the
Okay.
junior.
Okay, nice. Abhishek, I know, but everybody want to know, would like to know that which field you have chosen now, and
After 10th, I had chosen PCM or science, non-medical, and I went to Kota to prepare for JE. And I
okay,
had given JE this year, and the result was not very good, but I have also given MHT CET, which is another entrance exam, and I am eagerly waiting for its result.
okay. So you are waiting for the result. Oh,
Yes.
great. What are your future plans and what efforts you are taking for fulfill them?
My future plans are to become a computer science engineer and
Okay,
an entrepreneur. So
great.
currently, I have taken up a course related to computer science, which is in web development, and another related to an international team, which is related to entrepreneurship, where you take up a company and help them in
Hmm.
their challenges that they face. You help them expand globally.
Oh,
So you are part of an international team and you help them make decisions, make them grow globally.
great. So, Abhishek, we would like to hear about your journey after left the school.
After I left the school, after a month, when I had graduated, after the farewell in May, I went to Kota and my life had started there alone. I was living in a hostel, and there were not many achievements there, but definitely I had gained a lot of life experiences. I have learned to become independent and be disciplined, and yet I still had lots of fun. And while I was staying there, I had encountered failure, and it is a very important part of your life to encounter failure, and you must know how to deal with it. Yes.
Right, right. Very good to know, Abhishek. So next, we would like to know what are the activities, co-curricular activities and achievement that you remember from the school. Do you still cherish those memories?
Yes, ma'am. I remember a lot of memories from my school life. I have
Okay.
won many competitions for my house, and I have organized RIS month, as you said, and I enjoyed a lot during my school life. And I remember being a part of almost all activities. Like I was there for the house quizzes, football, MUNs, art fairs, math and science fairs. I have represented our school at Olympiads and other robotics competition, and I have enjoyed it immensely.
I think Maya ma'am lost the connection.
Yes, ma'am.
So while Maya joins us, let me ask you, Abhishek,
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
uh, what are the best memories of the school time?
My best memories. One of them was being elected as the head boy. It is the one of the best memories that I still have. It was like a dream come true. I still remember when I joined the school in fifth standard in 2012, and mid-year only I was selected as the vice captain. And at that time, since then, I have looked up to all the head boys, and I have wanted to become the head boy. And finally, I became in ninth.
Okay.
So I
I'm
think you
sorry I
are the
got
one.
disconnected.
Yeah, Maya. So Maya, you can continue.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
just wanted to tell Abhishek, you must have looked up to others, but when I close my eyes and think of head boys of our school,
Mhm.
you are the
Yes.
first one whose face flashes before my eyes. You are an
Yes,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you.
ma'am.
of that
Yes,
Yes,
maturity.
ma'am. Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
very grateful for you to say this.
No, not at
Thank you,
all.
ma'am.
It's all because of what you are. So I'm very happy to have had a head boy like you. You have inspired your juniors. So Maya, you can carry on. I had asked him what is his best memory of the school time, and he
Okay,
said
ma'am.
becoming the
Thank you,
head boy.
ma'am. Okay, so Abhishek, I would like to know, we
Yes.
would like to know the parent play the biggest role in shaping our life. What life lesson have your parents given to you?
Ma'am, my parents have always tried to make me a better self so that I can live my life to the
Hmm.
fullest. They
Okay,
had uh, they had tried to make me independent from a very small age. They taught me discipline because life without discipline is chaos, and
absolutely correct.
these qualities will help me at every point in my life,
Hmm.
and even when I have won and even when I have lost. They also
Okay,
taught me to never give up, and this attitude has to help me to cope up
to
from
move
failure.
ahead and cope up the things. Yes.
Yes, they have also taught me once again. Actually, every parent teaches this to every child that not every friend is a friend, which is another very important quality that every parent should teach their child. You only realize this when you go in the real world, when you leave school and stand up for yourself.
Then only we come to know ki what our parent taught and what is the meaning of that lesson, what they
Yes,
are
ma'am.
giving us at that time. Yes, absolutely correct. I also agreed with this. So, Abhishek, we would like to know, please share your experience as a sports uh, head boy in the school and what lesson, this question already done. Are you in touch with your school friends?
Yes, ma'am. I am in touch with all almost almost all of my friends,
Oh.
but three and four of us we hang out a lot. Whenever I came during my holidays back to
Hmm.
Mumbai, we hung out, and
Okay.
whenever we hang out, we always talk about our school life and how good it was, and all the fun moments that we shared together. It's
Yes.
like a memory ride,
Very
and it
good to
is
know.
very thrilling.
Okay. Uh, Abhishek, we would like to know, how is the outside world different from the school?
The outside world is much harder than you expect it to be. Like
Hmm.
every child is taught in their childhood that whenever the time comes, you have to stand up for yourself in front of the world. And when the time comes, you are never able to. You are always
Right.
lacking behind.
Sure.
You're, you are very attached to your family.
Hmm.
And whenever you try to stand up for yourself, don't try to find a way around it. Try to go through it. Try to experience it. Go through that phase because it will make you even stronger.
Very nice. Good to know that.
And
Abhishek, what is your message for your juniors? What
ma'am, my
message you want
message
to
for
give
my
for your juniors?
yes, ma'am. My message for my juniors is to remain mindful and along with
Hmm.
that, enjoy your life and create as many memories with your friends and family that you can.
Okay.
Try to hang out with them, try and celebrate with your family, give time to all of them.
Okay.
And when your parents tell you something, try and listen to them for once. Don't act too cool. Hmm.
Yes, students or
And
children
after
try
this
to make them
lockdown,
cool. Yes.
yes, after this lockdown, go out and play. Don't sit at home. Don't. Just
But
don't.
safety also, we have to
Yes,
pay
ma'am.
attention
Safety is
about the
also,
safety also. Safety is
yes, ma'am.
important.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
we
That is
can make
also
a
important.
fool, but sometime if we making fool to our parents, हमको ही उसका खामियाजा भुगतना पड़ेगा कहीं ना कहीं,
Yes, ma'am.
तो अल्टीमेटली हमें उस चीज का भी ध्यान रखना
Mhm.
है. वेरी नाइस, अभिषेक.
And
एंड
ma'am, one more
Abhishek,
thing. And
yes,
one more thing I
yes,
wanted to
yes,
add that along this journey, try and find your interest along the way. That
yes,
what you want your career to be like, and when do you want it to happen? Because
right,
career can happen at any time. You can develop it
right,
now. You can develop it in late 50s. It's your
yes,
choice.
right. The age, we can say, till 10th grade or 12th grade, you have to matlab, focused on your career. We have to
Yes.
focus, students make to focus on that particular. Okay. Abhishek, I would like to, what is your best memories of school days? Please share. Best
Am I
memories.
one of them? I said it was being elected as the head boy of the school,
Hmm.
and many others were when we went for school trips, the annual school
Mm.
trip. Like
Yes.
one, I went for Nainital and another for Kerala. So that these both are also one of my favorite memories that I
Hmm.
cherish. And during the class, during the class time, I enjoy my memories most with Ashok sir and Sailesh sir because they did not only push me to develop my academics but also to develop my life skills along the way.
Right.
And I also
Yes.
enjoyed a lot to play football during the lunchtime. Uh,
At
Smita
that
ma'am
time,
would
I think,
know how much we came to her to request her to let us play football.
yes. Uh, at that time, I think sports coach Yadav sir, or at your time, right?
Yeah,
Yadav
that's
sir
an
and
sir.
Swapnil sir. Yes, football coach. Okay, so Abhishek, did you ever
Yes,
get any chance to have a breakfast with the principal, ma'am? How was
yes,
your
ma'am, I
experience?
did. And the amazing was very, no, the experience was very amazing. I still remember it. And I think it was when I was selected as the head boy, and the head student council, uh,
Hmm.
had a breakfast with principal ma'am. and we shared and put up our views and opinions about how the school should improve in giving its students a better experience in learning for school and after the
Hmm.
school. And it was a
Okay.
very fun and enthusiastic experience. And I still remember Principal Ma'am as I still remember her wisdom and intelligence that she shared with us.
Absolutely right. And this concept is unique concept, which is in our school only. Very
Yes,
nice.
ma'am.
Nice to listen this feeling. Abhishek, one more I would like to ask. What is one thing about school that you miss the most?
One thing that I miss the most, it's actually during the class time when all of
Hmm.
the friends would come to school, and if any one of them was absent from your friends, your day
Hmm.
would not be as great as it could have been. The time
Okay.
that you spend with them during the lectures, during the lunch time when you talk with them after the school,
Hmm.
these memories that you create are just amazing.
Right. So, if we given a chance, would you want to come back to school for a day?
Yes, ma'am, I definitely would come back to school, and I am like during my holidays, I did not get a chance to visit school. Otherwise, I would have definitely come. But I think that every student, every alumni of this school will be very happy to come back to school, not just for one day, because they still want to sit in those chairs and talk with their friends, talk with their teachers about how their life is, how their life was during the school, and cherish those memories again.
Very nice. And definitely, I will request to Principal Ma'am that Ma'am, we will call all the alumni and we will make a get together for the alumni. Even before that, also, we are planning to do all this thing. Okay, so Abhishek, how can alumni contribute to the school?
I think that alumni should come forward and participate in such programs like this program, Back to the Roots program, and they should give back what they have learned during their short-term life till now, because not everybody is fully grown yet, but they should
Okay.
share what they have learned. Because
Mm.
as I can say, a student would trust a senior more than any other motivational speaker or live speaker. They would connect
Right.
at a much more at a student life level. They could connect more and trust each other.
Very nice. So I would like to request you to Principal Ma'am, please say something for Abhishek. Um,
Sheikh has always been one of the gems that RRIS has given to this society. And I can see all the more as you have grown that what I imagined you to be, you really have proven that. In fact, you have become better than what I could expect. The words of wisdom that you have been speaking, it makes me so happy, so satisfied as a principal and
Thank
as
you.
your teacher, right from the time when you took up the positions as a school leader or in various competitions or as a student in the classrooms. I think you have given such examples of the right qualities that a student has to have to all the others, that you were always taken as an ideal head boy. I always remember your image as an ideal student. It's very difficult to create that image. And after leaving the school, whatever you are sharing, like how failure is important to one's growth, how one should listen to parents, how juniors should value every moment and spend time with their family, how in the school also one must make the best of everything possible. I think these are the the words of wisdom, these are the pearls of wisdom which
right.
everyone can adopt in life to get the best out of it. I'm so proud of you. I know whatever you do, you want to become an entrepreneur, I'm sure you would just not only become, but you will inspire many more others to become like you. I'm very proud of you and very hopeful, very optimistic that what you want, you will definitely go beyond it. And even sky is not the limit for you, Abhishek.
Right.
Thank
For
Thank
you,
your
you.
thank you.
parents,
Thank you, ma'am.
I would also like to convey my regards to your parents. I have
Yes,
seen them
ma'am.
at every event of the school, and very positive. They were so invested in what you are doing, but never created any kind of pressure. I mean, I remember them as very positive parents who were there with you all the time. You knew that they are always with you, and that is what the parents can do without making the child feel the burden of any kind of pressure of expectations. So they are amazing parents. Please convey my
Thank you.
regards to them,
Yes, ma'am,
and
I will definitely.
all the best to you, Abhishek, and lots of
Thank you,
love
ma'am.
to you, and enjoy this life.
Yes,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
God
Thank you
bless.
very much.
Thank you, Maya.
I would I would like to request Vice Principal ma'am to say a few words for Abhishek.
Thank you,
Uh,
Maya ma'am. Hi, Abhishek.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Hi. Let me first tell you that I was still expecting that small, cute Abhishek on the screen, but
yes,
it was.
yes,
I mean, you've changed a
totally
lot.
changed. Yes, ma'am.
God.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and but you're looking so handsome and so matured, and not only looks wise, your talks, the way you have conveyed your thoughts, your feelings, it's amazing. So much of clarity of thoughts you have, amazing clarity of thoughts you all people have. And you have always been in school also. I remember you were very pragmatic, very practical in your approach. And the same I can see still. Rather, you have developed much more clarity in your thought process and everything. That's really amazing, Abhishek. And
Thank you very much.
needless to say, you were always an intelligent boy, and you still look so intelligent. You're doing excellent in whatever you're taking up, and you seem to be very, determined to do what you want to. And I remember in school days, you were very unaffected. आजू बाजू में कुछ भी हो जाए अभिषेक को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है ही इज द सेम कूल एंड काम person, least bothered and affected what's happening. Even if you were affected, you never showed in your body language, your emotions, your actions. You were very neutral in everything and very focused. So be the same, and wish you all the very best. We are really very proud of
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
And it was nice hearing you talk so well and conveying your thoughts wonderfully well. And please do convey our regards to Mr. and Mrs. Sokal as well. Yes, I completely agree with ma'am. They were extremely positive and supporting parents. So please convey our regards to them as well.
Yes, ma'am, definitely. Thank
Thank
you,
you,
All
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you.
yes, and Maya ma'am, you're also looking wonderful and you did a great job. We enjoyed
Thank you,
this
ma'am.
day
Thank
today.
you very much.
Thank you.
And when I called to Abhishek for the
Yes, ma'am.
interview, just I want to know something. Even in my mind, also the same image, that in 2018 or 17 or 15, I seen that Abhishek, a boy who was, just stand in with the अपना हमारा जो स्कूल का झंडा है वो लेके फ्लैग लेकर के खड़ा हुआ है और जस्ट दैट oath sports day ka oath and I'm same memories in my mind but when I saw you today it's really बहुत सारा changes मुझे देखने को मिला it's physically but yes वही अभिषेक है so I would like to coordinators if they would like to say something or any
Yeah,
teachers
I would like to
please
speak.
Yeah.
Yes, of course,
please
I would
ma'am
like to speak. Yeah,
Okay.
Abhishek, Greg sir, mein? Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So, yeah, I remember you, the tiny little boy, grade 5. I was your class teacher.
Yes, ma'am. First class teacher.
Yeah, first class teacher. And yes, like everyone said, I was also surprised to see you today, like, all grown up, mature. But you were always very sweet, always very responsible, like, very much focused. And as Smita ma'am said, never getting affected. But I still remember, I saw your anger once. Like, you just lost, like something happened and someone falsely said, I think one of your friend classmates said something and you got so angry and you were all red and so I still remember that face. So I thought, अरे अभिषेक को भी गुस्सा आता है kind of a thing. So, but yes, you were always a very good student, very active, and today listening to you, speaking so maturely, responsibly, and talking about life, I'm so proud of you, Abhishek. And all the best to you. I know you will do very well in your life. With hard work, with determination, you will really go places. So I wish you all the luck, and also your parents, of course. All the credit goes to your parents, because as ma'am said, vice principal ma'am said, they were very much involved. Be it like, all the years I have seen them in all the activities, and during PTM they used to meet each and every teacher, and they were so supportive and cooperative. Like, it was never like, anything. They just wanted to know how you like, did, how you were in the class, how you did in the subject. So they were so keen, they were always there for you. So all the best to
Thank
you.
you.
I mean, just go and be happy. I would just say be happy. God bless you, beta. God bless you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Usha, ma'am. Uh, now, I would like to request Greg, sir,
Yes. Abhishek, do
please.
you remember me?
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
Oh my God, you want it?
Last quiz, I remember you, sir.
Yeah, Abhishek, your demeanor, the right now what I'm seeing on the screen is has completely shaken me, because I was too expecting the same cute little Abhishek, with a big smile and innocent boy, I would say. And yes, we are happy to see you in a kind of a transformation that you have right now. You are a better version of your own self, definitely. And as ma'am said, you are a product of RRIS, and we are so proud of you. Abhishek, I'm not able to recall right now, but then could you just help me with few things? Um, you joined in 2012, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
and I think we were there on the stage for the first annual day. You,
Yes, sir.
Akanksha, and we had this Ananya who had come from USA,
Ananya.
if I'm not wrong.
Yes,
Remember?
yes, sir.
Yes.
Right.
And
So I remember
Tanmay
you
Gupta also, sir.
comparing. Yes. So I remember Abhishek did a wonderful job, and I might have met your parents couple of times, but they always talked about how you could progress in your life, how you do it, and you did extraordinarily well. And I'm sure you're making your parents happy. And I also remember your cousins, Sharavir Sokal, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sharivir and this
and
Charvi.
the
girl
girl,
also. Hmm.
Charvi.
right?
So,
Charvi.
Right, Charush Sokal. So all the best to you, dear. And by the way, have you grown your? I mean, have you grown your hair?
yes, sir. It's a
Oh my goodness, a ponytail.
yes,
All the best,
Like a
and give my regards
musician.
to your parents, and God bless you, dear.
thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
Greg,
you.
sir. Thank you very much. Now, I
Hello.
would like to request if any teacher, yes, Dhanishri, ma'am, please.
Yes, Maya ma'am. Yeah. Namaste, principal ma'am. Namaste, everyone. Namaste, Abhishek.
Namaste, ma'am. Namaste.
Yeah. First of all, I'll share that day's incident.
Yes,
Today,
yes, ma'am.
everybody is surprised to see Abhishek, and I was surprised just 8 days before. Suddenly, I was standing near one shop, and suddenly Abhishek came there and he said, Namaste, ma'am. He touched my feet, and I was surprised, who's this? And I couldn't recognize, and he was Abhishek. And I was so happy to see Abhishek, and equally surprised to see his new attire. Yes, Abhishek, there are lot many memories to share about you.
Yes,
We were
ma'am.
together for very
4
long
years.
time. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, 4 years.
Yes. Many
Yes,
years. 4 years as class teacher.
yes, exactly. And if everybody can see always whenever Abhishek speaks, he wears a beautiful smile on his face, and
Yes.
it's the same thing. Whatever changes we can see in his face and everything, but his smile is still like that. So always be like that, Abhishek. And I was
Yes, ma'am.
really amazed to see or to listen to your thoughts today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Really, really wonderful. I'm feeling very proud of you. And today, I guess here we have Krishna Lohia with us. And I
Yes,
remember
ma'am.
Krishna, you were best friend in,
Good
I guess,
afternoon.
in seventh grade. Good afternoon, Krishna. If you can say something for Abhishek.
Good
I remember
afternoon,
there was
Krishna.
some. There was
I was
some
just
trip.
waiting for the chance to say that, Abhishek was my first best friend that I made. I have known him for a long time now. Since he went to Kota, we haven't been in touch. But Abhishek was one of my closest friends back then. So yeah,
Just
and
like a pair, like Amitabh Bachchan and Govinda, right?
yeah, you
One
could
is
say
to
that. But if you are
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Now,
Yes,
please.
a small memory about them. I remember once there was a picnic was planned by the school. I don't remember which exactly, but they both were not ready. First, the moment Abhishek will, Krishna used to say, "Jab Abhishek pay karega, then only I'll pay." And Abhishek used to say, "When Krishna will pay, then only I will pay." So they both were not ready to pay unless and until they both were. No, that they both wanted to spend time together. That's why this was happening. So it was beautiful, Krishna. That's again, it was good to listen to you again. Abhishek, if you would like to say something about Krishna. And yeah, all the best for you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Krishna has
Dhanashri, ma'am.
been my first friend in the school when I joined, and since then he has always been very close to me until I graduated. And due to some reasons, we could not meet after school, but I would definitely try to meet him now after the lockdown. Everything has cooled down then, and it is very good to see him now during this meeting also.
So,
sure, man.
Krishna, you would like to say something, please?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, we'll meet in
Well,
just a few days when the lockdown ends. Surely. I've been wanting to meet. Tried to contact Raj too, but we just video called each other. Like I have been in contact with many of the people from school, but
yeah.
yeah, Abhishek was like in Kota, so yeah, we have lost touch since then.
Great. Thank you, Krishna. Anybody else would like to share uh, memories with Abhishek? No? Okay.
I think we have
So,
Champa ma'am here. Did Champa teach you, Abhishek?
Oh, ma'am.
2000, no,
Namaste,
ma'am.
ma'am. Namaste, everyone. Yes, ma'am. That was my first year.
Yeah.
I hardly spend much time with these students, but yes, I remember Abhishek with that lovely, cute smile. I used to find he was seems to be very youngest among all, and not definitely lots of memory, but yes, definitely whatever the memory we spend, I spend it with this batch and this students was excellent. The way they actually accepted me after Sangeeta ma'am left, right? Bijoy ma'am,
Mm,
Sandhya ma'am, yes, yes.
Sandhya.
So, and really, like, see, looking at you, Abhishek, observing a huge transition in you that in past I have seen you the way you were like a child, little very small child, and now you are speaking, taking a very mature step, and the way you have grown up, that's commendable. Yes, but that's all. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Champa ma'am. Thank you very much. Uh, Anybody else would like to share anything? It's 3:40. Principal.
Reni, I just want to know if Reni had taught him.
Maybe, ma'am, maybe a few classes. Namaste, ma'am. I actually don't, I remember a few faces, but today, if I can share something very quickly, is that, I am so amazed. I have been to, I mean, I've attended so many Back to Roots sessions, but Abhishek is the most mature person that I have heard in the sense of a student who is still in that journey is still on of a student, and he has spoken like a wise old man, somebody who can give advice to everybody. I'm I don't know how that is possible for him. Maybe he has been through a lot of things very soon, but he has really spoken so well, and
Yes.
not just about himself or others, but the kind of stuff that he has said, that all friends are not friends, and failures, like they teach you a lot, failures teach you a lot. So I'm sure what he has gone through, he has also learned from that. He has not just gone through that, but he has also taken the lessons from that, which is truly amazing for your age, and hats off to you. Success is
Thank you,
definitely,
ma'am.
you are definitely going to be a successful person. The kind of, your thought process is so good that nothing can stop you. It was great to
Thank
listen
you,
to
ma'am.
you,
Thank you.
Abhishek. Very nice.
Thank
God
you
bless
very
you.
much.
And ma'am, to add to that, I've been listening to Abhishek throughout this session, and one point, he's been very modest. He says that his journey has just started. There's not much to share, but I'm still willing to share. Give it back to the institution. So that is something which is very commendable, and I'd like to tell you, Abhishek, that while you are just started out in your journey, but your journey is unique. So today when you are giving your JEE entrance and you are doing your MHCET, so that at this point of time is unique and nobody else would know about it. So we will definitely work out a process whereby the students who have moved on from school to forward journey, how they can support their juniors and take them along in the journey, how they can advise them. So with the permission of principal ma'am, I'll work out some things that can help you all even do things remotely. So currently we all are learning remotely. So we will form a small group, or maybe on Google Classroom I'll try something once I discuss with ma'am, and I'm sure that should work great for all of us.
Thank you, Amit sir, and
Thank you,
thank you,
sir.
Rainy
Thank you.
ma'am. Anybody else would like to share? Okay. So, Abhishek, academically, I'm not teaching you, I'm not taught you anywhere. But yes, as a supervisor in the school, I'm looking all around. I know each and every child of the school. So, my good wishes for you.
Thank
And
you,
you
ma'am.
has a potential to become the leader of your working sphere. I wish you bright future and prosperous life. May you be successful. Okay,
Thanks a lot,
so
ma'am.
God bless you, and be in touch with your teachers.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Definitely.
whenever you require any advice, please be in touch with the school and our respected principal, ma'am. So, ma'am, now we have to. I would like to
Yes, Maya,
please.
we can close the session. Before that, I would like
Okay,
to tell both of you, you both were fantastic. It was
thank you, ma'am.
really a treat to listen to both of you. Maya, you
Thank you, ma'am.
conducted the show with great confidence and with this
Thank you,
beautiful
ma'am.
smile of yours. I'm very
Thank
proud of
you.
you. And I'm equally proud of our dear
Thank,
Abhishek. So
Yes,
externally,
ma'am.
Abhishek,
Thank you, ma'am.
your journey has been from cute to handsome, but I know inside it is the same beautiful, wonderful person. And I pray that you remain as you are today and as you were earlier, because this is what we love in you, Abhishek, the sweet,
Thank you, ma'am.
innocent, the right child, Abhishek. And thank you, Krishna, for sharing your thoughts here. It was lovely to listen to you. So God bless
so,
you.
Thank you,
Maya,
ma'am.
take care.
thank you,
God bless
ma'am. So,
Krishna.
Abhishek, yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
Abhishek, चलते चलते अलविदा ना कहना।
नहीं,
ये
ma'am.
क्लास
नहीं.
में हम दोनों एक साथ ये सॉन्ग को गाते हुए फिर खत्म करेंगे। देन लेट्स स्टार्ट।
Yes, ma'am.
1 2 3 चलते
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 कभी अलविदा ना
अलविदा
कहना,
कहना,
कभी अलविदा ना
अलविदा
कहना।
कहना.
So be in touch, Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you
Yes,
very
ma'am.
much.
Definitely.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
Principal Ma'am, to give this opportunities to me. Thank you, Vice Principal Ma'am, and my dear coordinators and my dear friends. So, okay, Abhishek, thank you very much once
Yes,
again.
ma'am. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, everybody.
Bye, Abhishek. All the
Bye,
best.
Abhishek. All the
Bye,
best.
Abhishek. Take care. All the best.
Thank
It
you,
was
ma'am.
great
Thank you, sir.